Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications for your Google Pixel 6a. So in order to do this, let's open a Google Play Store. Next is to search for an app and here enter NotifyBuddy. Now click on the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open the app. From here, move to the next step and you will need to grant 3 permissions to the app. First one is phone permission, so simply click on allow. Next is more complicated, so let's go for overlay permission. Here we'll need to find NotifyBuddy and allow display over the other apps. Now let's move back, do the same thing with notification permission, locate NotifyBuddy and allow notification access and then allow. Now let's go back and here's battery optimization, which is optional, you don't need to disable it. So if the app doesn't work properly, you can go back and disable it and see if that changes. So now let's go to the next step, click on accept. Here pick any apps to allow custom LED lamp notifications for, and let's get the Fortnite for that. In the system you can find any system bound apps, so for example there should be calendar somewhere. If not, then there's a clock right here. In active you can find all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change anything about your LED lamp, like its color, size, shape, placement on the screen, all kinds of stuff, but some of it is locked behind the premium version of this app. So now let's press on the test, and here you can see the LED lamp. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.